How to level a John Deere L110 mower deck. The John Deere L110 lawn tractor comes standard with a 42-inch mower deck. The two-blade mower deck can be used with a bagger, mulch kit or side discharge. Having a level mower is necessary to get the best cut. But when driving around obstacles in the yard such as landscaping and trees, it is easy to hit these with a protruding mower deck. This can knock the deck out of level, causing stripping while mowing. Leveling the mower deck will take 15 minutes to complete. Things you'll need: tire gauge, 2 pieces of 2x4-inch lumber, 13mm wrench, blade height gauge. Park the L110 on level ground and set the parking brake. Remove the key from the ignition. Check the tire pressure in all 4 tires with a tire gauge. Remove the plastic cap on the tire valve and insert the tire gauge. The correct PSI is marked on the side of each tire. Raise the mower deck to the highest position by pulling all the way back on the mower lift lever on the right fender deck. Place 2 2x4s up on edge and slide under each side of the mower deck. Push the mower lift lever down until the mower deck is resting on the boards. Make sure the gauge wheels are not interfering with the 2x4s. Wiggle the front draft rod assembly, which is at the front of the mower deck, going to the frame. Make sure there is no tension. Find the adjustment nuts on each side of the deck hangers at the rear of the mower deck, directly in front of the rear wheels. Loosen the leveling nuts on each side. Raise the mower lift lever to the highest position and then lower it back to the 1-inch setting. Apply slight pressure on the back of the mower deck on the right side to take any slack out of the linkage. Tighten the adjustment nut and repeat on the left side. Find the adjustment nut at the front of the draft rod assembly at the front of the tractor. Turn the adjustment nut on the draft rod assembly clockwise until the front of the deck starts to rise off the 2x4s. Remove the boards and check the blades with a gauge height tool. Measure the tip of the blade at the front of the deck and the blade tip at the rear of the deck. The front blade tip should be slightly lower than the rear. If it is not, turn the adjustment nut on the front draft rod assembly. Turn clockwise to raise the front of the deck and counterclockwise to lower, until the front is slightly lower than the rear blade.